Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can save an image from Instagram app to your gallery. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, friends, for this, you will need to open the Instagram app itself. Then go to your direct. To do that, on the top right, click on this sign. Or you can just swipe from the right side to the left side, like this. Then go to the correspondence, where you may have been sent a photo. You can also be sent small videos in Instagram, and you can save them in the same way as photos. So friends, you have two options for this. The first one is to open the image, click on it, and when you see the full image, in order to save it, you'll need to click on this Save button here. And as you can see, it will tell you that you've saved the photo or video. The second option, though, is even faster. If you don't want to open the media file, just click and hold on it. And from the little menu that you get, just click Save. And as you can see, instantly the photo will be saved to your gallery. Unfortunately, friends, it is impossible to customize such a feature as auto-save media files, such as photos in Instagram. So if you need to, you'll have to save each photo or video separately. This is the way, friends, you will be able to save the image in Instagram app to your gallery. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put likes under the video, write your comments, also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.